Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create a template in Notion. So in order to create a template in Notion, you have to first add all the data that you want to create the template from. So if you want to create a template that consists of text, you can simply create a new page and you can add all the text that you want to include in the template. Additionally, you can add pictures or videos, but that depends on what type of template you want to create. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create a very basic text template. So I'm going to create a template and I'm going to include the following text that you can see on the screen. I'm going to include that text into the template. So in order to create a template, first add all the data that you want to include in the template in a new page. Once you do that, simply click anywhere on the page, simply double click and then enter / and then write template and hit enter. You'll get this button icon, click on it, and here click on add action and add insert blocks. Now you have to drag all the text blocks or pictures or video blocks, whatever information you want to add. You have to add all the information by dragging and dropping it here. So I dragged and I dropped this information here, and that is perfect. That's all the information I want to add in the template. Now I just press done, and as you can see, it has created this new button and the template is basically created. So whenever I press this new button, the template is created and it will automatically add all the data that I entered in that template. So this is a very basic version, this is a very basic tutorial of a template, but you can add photos, you can add videos, you can even add documents into your template. You can basically add whatever type of data you like. So this is how you create a custom template in Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.